Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's wig is from Klaiyi hair. I've worked with them quite a few times and I've always been impressed with their hair. So today I'm working with their 5x5 HD lace closure wig. The length I have is 28 and this is 180 density. So today I'm just going to be showing you how I customize the hairline, how I style the wig, and also how I install the wig. And honestly, I feel like 5x5 closure wigs are just the way to go, especially if you're a beginner and you want to start wearing wigs. I would recommend you start wearing closure wigs before you start wearing frontals, because closures are just very easy to work with. Like guys, it took me less than 5 minutes to install this wig, and you can also wear the wig glueless. So if you want to see how I got the wig to look like this, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching. I'm gonna go ahead and install the wig now. As you guys can see, I've done majority of the work off camera. I've plucked the hairline, I've styled the wig, so now I just need to install the wig. So the first thing I'm going to do is to apply some foundation, you know, just to help the lace match my skin tone better. You guys can see what the lace looks like. This looks really good. So I'm going to adjust the straps at the back of the wig just so this helps with, actually it comes with an elastic band, so I'm just going to adjust the elastic band. Hopefully this helps to secure the wig. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the excess lace, and I'm gonna start by cutting off the sides. Guys, the lace looks amazing. It's the fact that this is the side that I've cut off and this is the side that's still on, and you literally can't even see. Looks amazing. Another thing I really like about this wig is that the knots are so tiny, which makes the hairline look more natural. The wig came pre-bleached and it came with a natural hairline as well, but I did go in to pluck the hairline just a bit more. The only thing is I wish I bleached the knots myself again, because I feel like they're still quite visible, as you guys can see, but they're not too bad with me applying my foundation. It kind of blends in, so that is good. And this is what it should look like once you're done cutting the lace. And guys, tell me this doesn't look good. This looks amazing. And it's the fact that I've not even glued it down. I've not used any hairspray. So you actually have the option of wearing this wig glueless, because it is glueless right now, and it feels very secure on my head. You know, it comes with an elastic band, so you can adjust the elastic band so it fits on your head and you don't have to glue it down. So I really like that. Like, this is glueless, literally, and the lace looks so good. This is why I would recommend an HD lace, because you know, look at how it just melts and blends into my skin without me doing anything to it. So now I'm just gonna spray that down with my bed head spray. And then I'm just gonna press that into my skin. This looks so good, it looks really flawless. Guys, honestly, when it comes to this wig, that is me done. Like, closure wigs are just the way to go. They're very easy, definitely very beginner friendly, and they're just quick and easy. Like, this, it took me 5 minutes to install, like, honestly. And it's the fact that I really didn't have to glue it down as well. I could have worn this wig absolutely glueless. So I'm just gonna apply some concealer down the middle part just to make it stand out a bit more. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and apply some hair serum on the hair. I'm going to apply the John Frieda Freeze Ease. So yeah, here's what the wig looks like. I feel like this wig is perfect, you know, for this time of the year, and it's very beginner friendly as well, like I said. So once again, this wig is from Klaiyi Hair, and this is the 5x5 HD lace closure wig. The length I have is 28. The hair is so lovely, it's really soft. So I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description bar below. So please make sure you check the description bar for anything you need to know, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.